Wait, time out. It's hockey day in America? What the hell did I miss? How do I not know that? Maybe I'm reading it wrong. Anyway, Avalanche versus the Wild. This is part 2. The Wild whooped y'all. What that was last week? Avalanche, I know it rubbed y'all the wrong way, man. So let's see if Wild can make this a 2-0 in the damn season, man. Let's get it. Come on. Oh, wow. Let's go. I'm locked in, baby.
Avalanche have won 4 straight.
4 straight. Oh, damn. Oh.
Victories, 8 of their last 10.
You know we're going to have a good game. Oh, he took it from you. He took it. They're going to pass her back. Okay, good. Good shit. Good shit.
Now McCarr.
Don't let him set up.
First power play of the game for the Avs.
Yep.
Cal McCarr with a shot. That did not get through. His own man Nelson. Nelson slow to get back onto his skates.
Watch the pass of Nature's.
Oh,
off.
This is the net. Kadri with it for Colorado.
They got another chance.
Now Nature's.
Oh, they didn't see him. Oh, fuck. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff.
Down to 10 seconds.
These games be having me on the edge, bro.
And now Taves.
Woo. Did y'all see that Buffalo and that Tampa Bay game the other night? Oh, last night? Oh my God! If y'all didn't see it, y'all have to watch that immediately. Normally, Avalanche attacks early. Oh, we split him. Nice block. Nice save there. Yep. Make changes, big changes here. All right, line up. Oh, my God. Ooh, that's how you get it in the glove. That's how you get it. That was beautiful. Good saves.
Yeah, no doubt. And Gustafson's been the guy that.
My boy, Big Gus. Wedge. Yeah. Damn, 900. Ooh, not Wedgwood. Don't let him beat you there. Nice. Don't let him beat you there. Don't let him outskate you. Whoa.
6 skaters for Colorado.
Oh, no velocity. No velocity on that.
As Bogosian returns. So the Wild have killed off.
Yep.
2 Colorado power plays.
Nice. The Wild playing defense. Nice, Wild.
A seamless transition, and the push to win the Stanley Cup. That's a big move by the Avalanche to get him back here.
They got. No, yeah, the crowd wanted that one. Yeah, I wanted that one. Nature's. No pass there.
Nature's drops it back to
McKinnon. Ooh, gets that good.
He gets chirped. Actually, the line boost, and he didn't like that.
Damn, it's 4-1. Jeez. Glove. Oh, what happened? McKinnon. He's all right? McKinnon's like, I just need a breather.
McKinnon having another spectacular season, second in the league.
Beautiful season, I can't lie. And I don't want to hit. Oh. What, did it hit it? Did the puck hit him in the nuts? It ain't no way.
That's blocked by Brink and broke his stick.
Broke his stick.
Now Kulak. Walensky shooting.
Nice. Nice fucking. Oh my God. That's how you play. That's how you Goldie.
Second block of this period where he's
snapped
his stick in half. So he's had to go to the
that's
get a new twig.
Get a new one.
That opens up a little bit more space. And
yeah, but they couldn't do nothing with it.
Make a couple of saves. I think one of them was right off the noggin, Jody.
Nice, well stat.
Brink brought enough sticks with him from Philadelphia because in that transition you take a
facts.
And then your new trainer.
Imagine like your lucky stick break. I'll be pissed. Ooh. Yeah, nice save. Good shit, Wedgwood. Look at Boldy. Look up. Oh, got him. Man, Matt Boldy's that boy, man. Matt Boldy's that boy. A quiet first period. Ain't nothing happened. That's easy. That's easy. Nice. Dude, the Hughes brothers. He chased it down. He got it there.
You know, good job keeping him from the backhand. Good speed by him on our AT&T connected.
All right, wow, let's go, man. We got to get on the board here, bro.
Hughes on the back check.
0-0. I don't like that. I don't like the look of that.
They got some people that are going to help.
Oh shit! I thought it was in there. I thought he gloved it, but you heard the post. Okay. Okay. Wow. Damn. It's only one goal. Ain't nothing to worry about. One goal. It was beautiful. I don't even call that a pass. Like, what do you call that? He just like put a stick on it.
The appreciation by McKinnon as he right away turns around
and
points to Kadri, who made a beautiful
that extra pass, that feed right there, that was the real pass.
On the puck, it's a 50-50.
All right, boy. Okay, you back. Okay.
Yeah, you can see what John Hines did there, head coach of the Wild. He puts Kaprizov out there with McCarron and Foligno. That fourth.
Put it down.
Zone time against the fourth line of the Avalanche.
Shot by Boldy off the post.
Off the post, Boldy.
Took a puck up high.
Damn. Ah, third period.
Second power play.
Gotta win this face off here. Got it. Make the initial pass. Here we go. This is easy. I see the. Let's go. I see you. Beautiful. I saw that. I saw it, bro. Before it even happened, I saw it. That was nice. That was nice. Wedge was. You couldn't do nothing there, bro.
This is now the 11th power play goal for the Wild in their.
It was gonna happen.
Left sticks everywhere.
Let's go.
Of Wedgwood. It's all about one timing.
Yeah, right in the perfect.
He's trying a shot pass.
Capri Sun, that's what you gonna call him.
The Colorado defender.
But look.
It's hard to tell, but it's either a one-timer or
the abs are good. So wow, let's lock in. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, bro. Let me fix my collar, man.
Yeah, Burns is right there.
Power play, 40 seconds on the power play. Oh, Nate, I don't know how that didn't go in. That was nice save. Yeah, it was right on the post. That was insane.
Natchez with the one-timer and Volstead with another.
Nice.
Now Burns shoots.
All right. Wraps around. Somebody's stick. Oh, short-handed. Man, when a short-hand opportunity comes, you gotta do it. You gotta make it. You gotta make it happen, baby. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That was just nice. Nice shot. No, that's a tough shot. You got the block on your ass.
A big short-handed goal, Jody, to give the Wild.
No, it wasn't that. It looked like he was close to get a stick on it, but he was ahead of him. All right, 2-1, baby. 7 minutes left. Stick down. Pick up the stick, man.
Pass across, blocked off in the slot by Hughes.
Oh, didn't even see it. Unbelievable. Took it out the air, dropped it back down, and just cracked that thing, bro. And it looked like he had nothing on it when he hit it. Girl, I know you're not yawning. Take her home. If I'm at a game and a chick I'm with, she yawning, never again. I'm definitely gonna take another girl. And I'm the type of dude to tell her, like, listen, you're gonna get a 1-strike penalty. We're gonna put you in the box for a game. I'm gonna take another girl out. No offense. She was at. That was beautiful though. Beautiful shot.
Looks like Nick was able to get a stick on it.
Yeah, that did go fast though. He was like,
blocker side and goes to his glove side. Good work by Wall
yeah.
on the wall to win that puck. And he can see
Just to
right
bully them. Roy was like, give me that.
Because he was nicked up. Faber dropping it back. Here comes.
High power play. Oh, damn. Double save right there on the rebound. Yes, sir. That was an opportunity. That speed was insane there. Yeah, couldn't do nothing with it. Overtime, bro. Here we go.
Shoots off the side of the post.
Here we go. We got to lock in.
He has an overtime goal this season.
Oh, here we go. Here go McKinnon on the bullshit pass out. Nations 2-man game. They running.
McCarr has replaced Taves.
Oh, shit. Oh, he missed it. He went for the backhand. Nice. Look at this. Yeah. He didn't have enough room. He ran out of real estate. It's that Wallstead Wall. I see, bro.
Good glove saves.
Nice.
This was Kadri's opportunity, and
yep, he had it.
Wallstead.
Shootout. Oh my God. The Wild missed the first one. Avalanche got this. Oh my God. No way. You was playing a phenomenal game. You done got right up in your chest, man. Oh, it's bold. This is one right here. It's easy. That's boldy. I'm not even gonna look. What I told you, it's just too easy. I did. Come on, man. Come on. It's boldy, for God's sakes, bro. Oh, you gotta stop him here. Oh my God, McKinnon. Oh shit. Oh, bro. Save the best for last, right? He got him. Hesitate him, and the little glide that he made to the right, put it right back to the glide he made to his right, which is his left to his right. You know what I'm trying to say. Good win, Avalanche, man. Good, y'all, good team. I give you all the credit. I just can't wait for the players to start, man. I just can't wait, man. I love you.